Good morning, children. Let me continue the chapter. First chapter for 7th standard, nutrition in plants. From the first class, let me continue with the second class. Okay, children. We all know that survival of all of us, including animals, we all depend upon plants. Okay, so plants give us food, and we know that directly or indirectly we are depending upon plants, including human beings and animals. As I told you that the byproduct of photosynthesis is, you know that byproduct of photosynthesis is we get oxygen as the byproduct, which is very essential for our breathing process, this oxygen. Then I told you, children, during photosynthesis, usually when a leaf is there, okay, when a leaf is there, the top layer of the leaf do consist of cells. I told these cells are, what I told, these cells are actually, this has been again covered by the guard cells. They have been covered by again guard cells. This inside cell is what meant for, we have inside what, a green colored liquid called as chlorophyll, which can absorb the sunlight. So that if it can absorb the sunlight, it can absorb the sunlight in the plants. Chlorophyll, a green colored liquid. Because of this, sunlight is absorbed, photosynthesis takes place with the help of H2O, water, CO2, carbon dioxide, and water, carbon dioxide. We get this water. In this water, minerals are mixed, nutrients are mixed. Actually, we get this water from the roots of the plant. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere. Altogether, this water, carbon dioxide, they are going to get stored. They are going to get stored in the leaves along with this chlorophyll, which can absorb the sunlight. We get a product called as food is manufactured. That food is nothing but what I told. Carbohydrates. Nothing but carbohydrates means starch. Carbohydrates is manufactured in the leaf with the help of water, H2O, CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide I get from the atmosphere. Water I get from the soil, where they are being transported to the leaves. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which can absorb the sunlight. Photosynthesis takes place in the presence of sunlight, and we get a product that is nothing but carbohydrates. We can call it by another name, starch. Then starch is what? Which is the stored food in the plants. Carbohydrates means, children, it is nothing but the mixture of, it contains of carbon, it contains of hydrogen, then it contains of oxygen, children. Then carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Children, with this carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, actually what has happened? Food is manufactured, food is synthesized. What food is manufactured? What is produced is, it produces in turn proteins. Starch, inside the starch what is there? Proteins is there. These proteins, children, in turn contains nitrogen. Then children, I have to speak about the things like how the plant can get the nitrogen. Actually, nitrogen, this nitrogen, what I spoke, children, nitrogen in air, it is around, in air it is around 78%. This nitrogen, but plants cannot make use of this atmospheric nitrogen. Soil is having a kind of microorganisms by the name rhizobium, by the name rhizobium. This rhizobium is the name of the microorganism present in the soil. This rhizobium, which is present in the soil, this thing is it can absorb rhizobium can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen. It can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into usable nitrogen, and which can be mixed again in the soil, and so that plants, with the help of their roots, the nitrogen which is mixed in the soil, it is being mixed in the water and it is being absorbed by the roots. Children, what I wanted to tell you is rhizobium is such a kind of microorganism present in the soil which can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a usable nitrogen form, so that it absorbs the atmospheric nitrogen and makes that nitrogen to mix in the soil, so that whatever the water is present in the soil, that nitrogen can get mixed in that water and be easily absorbed by the roots of the plants, so that the plants can grow very well. I hope you understood about I hope you all have understood the function of the rhizobium microorganisms present in the soil. Nothing but conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into usable nitrogen, mix that usable nitrogen in the soil. Soil contains water and nitrogen get mixed in that water, and roots of the plants can absorb the nitrogen and plants can grow very well. Usually, these rhizobium, a kind of microorganisms, I told you that. Then, children, when I speak about the other modes of nutrition in plants, okay. Some plants are there. I have to speak about, children, now other modes of nutrition in plants. There are some plants which depend upon other plants for their survival. Some plants are there which they depend upon other plants for their survival, for their nutrients, for their food. Such a type of mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic. Mode of nutrition. I shall rub this, children. Okay. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Then another thing, children, example for this heterotrophic mode of nutrition is we find a kind of yellow color, wired structural plants that will be like wired things, wired plant. Climbers, we call it by the name climbers. They will be climbing on the trees. They don't have chlorophyll. They don't have chlorophyll means they can't produce their own food. If they have chlorophyll, they can absorb the sunlight. If they don't have chlorophyll, they cannot absorb the sunlight. They can't prepare their own food. So when they are growing on the other trees, that when they are growing on the other trees, that other tree on which this climber is growing, that other tree is called by the name like host plant, host tree, host plant, or we call it by the name hospital. Then children, this climber, yellow color I told, wired structured plant growing on the tree. That example I can give you like a yellow colored plant which is growing on this host tree by the name Tiscuta. Is the name Tiscuta. This type of plant, this type of plant is called as the, this type of plant is called as the parasite. Is called as the parasite. This Tiscuta is called by the name parasite, which will grow on other trees, which will get food from other trees. That other tree is called by the name host. This type of mode of nutrition is called by the name heterotrophic mode of nutrition. After this, children, I have to speak about a plant by the name. Plant by the name. I shall rub these things, children. Okay. Tiscuta is an example for parasite. Okay. Then I shall rub this, children. Let me stop about this heterotrophic mode of nutrition. I will tell you about the important plant by the name pitcher plant. Pitcher plant. A plant like this, children. Okay. Where like this will be having. Here top it is having. This is called by the name lip. Like a finger-like projections. Finger-like projections. This plant will trap insects and eat the insects. It will digest the insects. Somewhat like an insect is sitting here. Insect is sitting. Okay. If it enters inside this pitcher plant, it will close its lid. So the insect is trapped inside the pitcher plant. Finally, it has dissolved. Finger-like projections will produce secrete, a kind of juice. Will produce secrete, a kind of juice. Because of that juice, this insect will die. And whatever the nutrients which were present in the insect, nutrients which were present in the insect, that is being absorbed by the pitcher plant, and the plant can grow very well. This plant is called by the name like, because they eat insects, so we give a name as insectivorous plants. We give a name like insectivorous plant. Insects eating plants is called by the name like insectivorous plant. Example is pitcher plant. Insect came, sat here, went inside the plant, pitcher plant. Lid is again closed back. Insect is trapped inside the plant. These finger-like projections, they produce or secrete or juice. Because of that juice, the insect will die, and whatever the nutrients which were present in the insect, that nutrients are absorbed by the plant. Which plant? Pitcher plant, and plant can grow with the help of the nutrients what it got from the insect. This type of plant is called by the name like insectivorous plant. Example, pitcher plant, insect eating plant. Getting the nutrients from insects, with that nutrients the plant can grow, pitcher plant can grow. So this is also an example for what? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition, getting the nutrients from other insects, getting the nutrients from other insects so that the plant can grow. Next, we will speak about children like saprotrophs. We will speak about saprotrophs. Saprotrophs. Children, saprotrophs. You might have seen children umbrella-like patches growing in the moist soil, where these organisms are called by the name like some patches which are growing on the green color patches, where we see on the walls of any building where there is a lot of moisture is there, where there is in the rainy seasons, green color patches. They are called green color patches. They are called by the name like what? Fungi. What? Fungi. This fungus, children, this fungus, actually we can see when you throw a bread on the top of the terrace, leave it for unshaded for 1 week, you can see like a brown color on that bread. What is that brown color, black color, brown color patches which is growing on the bread? It is fungus. Fungus will attack on that bread. Then children, actually this fungus will, what it will eat? Dead organic matter, dead and decaying organic matter it will eat. Who is eating? Fungus is eating dead and decaying organic matter. This type of eating process is called by the mode saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition. This fungus is called as what? This fungus is called as saprotrophs. Saprotrophs. Mode of nutrition is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Fungus will depend upon dead and decaying organic matter. So this type of mode of nutrition is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Fungus is what? Example for saprotrophs. Then children, let me speak about some organisms where they help each other. Like some plants are there, leguminous plants. What plants? Leguminous plants. Now whatever we get, pulses we eat, okay, groundnut we eat, ragi we eat, some types of moong dal, grams, green grams we eat, and beans, moong dal. I should write the names, children. Actually, I shall rub this insectivorous plant and all. This was about saprotrophs. Fungus is an example for saprotrophs. Okay, this was picture plant. I shall rub this, children. Another one, some things are there to finish for me. I should speak about the children symbiosis. Symbiosis. If you help me, I will help you. Like that it is. Some plants are there. Plants like grams. These are plants. Peas. Moong dal, children. Moong dal. Especially with leguminous plants. Leguminous plants will give us pulses. Whatever pulses we are eating, whatever dal we are eating, these all pulses we get from leguminous plants. Leguminous plants, what they have? Leguminous plants are having, children, I will finish off, leguminous roots. Because of this leguminous plants, I am getting we are getting pulses, grains, grams, peas, moong dal. Some examples are there, children. I should tell those things. It's okay now. Grams are there, peas are there, moong dal are there. So these roots will be there, no children. These plants roots, they are having microorganisms. Roots are having microorganisms. I told you that microorganism is rhizobium. Very important microorganism. This is, children. In this nature is very important microorganism which is present in the soil. That is, we should learn, children, this. Rhizobium. What it can do, I have told you. It will absorb the atmospheric nitrogen, absorbing that atmospheric nitrogen and converting that into usable nitrogen form and mixing that usable nitrogen form in the soil. Soil has water, this nitrogen will get mixed in that water, and usually roots will absorb this nitrogen and plants can grow. Plant is giving shelter and nutrients for whom? For this rhizobium. Plant is giving shelter for whom? Shelter also it is giving, nutrients also it is giving. For which microorganism? Rhizobium. So rhizobium will be present in the roots of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants will give us pulses. So plant is giving shelter and nutrients for rhizobium. Rhizobium will also help the plant by what? By absorbing the atmospheric nitrogen and converting that into usable nitrogen form and making that nitrogen mix in the soil so that roots can absorb that usable nitrogen form. So that this nitrogen will get mixed in the water and roots can absorb that nitrogen so that plant can grow well. We get good crops. This type of helping each other. Rhizobium will help the leguminous plants. Yes or no? By giving what? By giving nitrogen, usable nitrogen. Because it is converting that atmospheric nitrogen into usable nitrogen. So this will help. This plant will give shelter and nutrients for rhizobium, helping each other. This type of nutrition is called by the name symbiosis, helping each other. With these, children, I would like to tell you that we are going to end this chapter. First chapter will be ending by with this topic symbiosis. In the next chapter, we shall continue with the second chapter. Thank you, children.